32 points down for the Nifty spot. We pretty much have lost whatever we accumulated on Friday. 34 points off for the Nifty. For the Sensex, the first rates are nearly 1% off for the Sensex. No, it has improved marginally, about 133 points off for the Sensex now. Let's stay with banks, especially PSU banks. They really fell apart, and they really fell apart in the last 1 hour of trade. Punjab National Bank, BOB on your screen, down 6 rupees. Bank of India down 2 rupees at 241. Punjab National Bank on your screen 660. State Bank of India has cracked below 2000. Now look at private banks which have not fallen, but which have fallen less on a relative basis. ICICI Bank 1034. Look at HDFC Bank and HDFC as well. Now, here's the interesting bit. Even though HDFC, ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, they're largely dominated by foreign investors at a time when foreign investors are selling their stocks down, banks are still holding on. What about IT, especially Infosys? Infosys held this market on Friday. But Infosys is off to a weak start, even though there is weakness in rupee. Wipro has taken a knock. TCS is not going anywhere. Hexaware is looking stable. Tech Mahindra, Mahindra Satyam, they have been performers. They've been on performers of late. And the good run for both Tech Mahindra and Mahindra Satyam, it just continues.
I just want to see what the telecom names are up to and whether or not the relative outperformance or hint of that actually continues. Bharti down by about 1%. Let's see what Relcom as well as Idea are up to. Relcom 2 taking a breather. It's down by about almost 1.5%. And Idea has started off just about marginally in the green. That's the take coming in on some of these telecom majors. What about Ranbaxy? Considering the Mohali unit now, it appears to be under the US FTA scanner, and Ranbaxy, clearly the pain on that stock continues. Why does Zydus Wellness, they've allotted about 550 crore rupees from acquisitions and scouting for their OTC brands. So watch out for that one as well. You've also got, some fund action in Jyoti Laboratories, which closed a good 5% higher on Friday, and it seems that Morgan Stanley Asia Singapore has sold about 8.5 lakh shares of Jyoti Labs at a price point of 201 per share, and Jyoti Labs is currently at 196 thereabouts. I also want to see what Mozabear is up to in trade, considering there's news flow on that one, because the loan recast has now been stuck with promoters who are unwilling to bring in personal guarantee, and bankers are not willing to accept its brand as any collateral. Mozabear, while it's a penny stock, reduced to just about nothing, but that continues to reel under pressure. Havells as well is going to be included in the Nifty Midcap 50 Index, which is going to replace Syntex Industries with effect from July 26th. And Havells, of course, has seen a lot of action in the past couple of days.